I'm the technician. This is the video for adding your teacher's schedule to your calendar. First, let me talk about the old students. So, if you're one of the old students, chances are that you have the previous academic year schedules in your calendar. Let me show you first. So, you see, this is the year 3 Hungary students, but previously he was year 2 Netherlands students. So, let's check his calendar. Switzerland students, yeah. So as you can see, here he has his old year 2 Switzerland schedules. So we will have to remove them. Firstly in order to add our new academic years, the year 3 Hungary classes schedules. So let me talk about this firstly. If you're a new student, you can skip this video ahead and watch this for more insight. Maybe it will be useful in the future. So now let's talk about how to remove the old schedule. Firstly, let's go again. Go to the calendar and you will see the old schedules. So right click on the first one, then click decline or remove from calendar. But right now here you can see remove from calendar. Click on that and then click remove series. It's gone, it's removed. So you will have to do that to each and individual schedules, all schedules. So it will all be removed and the calendar will be empty. After that you can add back the new schedule. Now let me remove one by one to show as an example here. 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 Here and here and another one here. So now the calendar is empty. Let's make sure. Okay, here, we can still remove these. So click here, you have to click decline series, click decline series, click decline series, but it's okay, no problem. We can add it back later. So right now the calendars are empty. So how to add back the new schedule? I will show you. Now let's add the new schedule. Go back to teams, select any subject team. So I will firstly select the English teams. Then find the schedule. Okay, I can see one schedule here and 2 schedule here, the rest. So let's click on this first, and then here you can see add to calendar. Click on that. Usually like it's around the same spot. You may see different things like RSVP or something like that, but you just have to click accept or something like that there too. So it's accepted. You can click close, and then let's go back to calendar to see if the schedule is added. So here, go back to calendar. Here, as you can see, it's added. So you will have to do that to individual subjects schedule. So everything will be filled up, and you can easily enter once everything is filled up. Now let's try again. Let's do that to other schedules too. As an example, click on this, click on calendar, close. Another schedule here, here. Okay, now English is done. Go to the other subject, Myanmar. Here, one schedule. Click on that. Add to calendar, close. Now click on another schedule. Click add to calendar, close. Now let's go to other schedule. 1, 2, 3. Here, this one. Click on that. Add to calendar, close. Let's see again if there's anything else. Nope. It's done. Go to the another teams, another schedule, click on that, click add to calendar, close. Well, let's check again. Make sure this is tick accepted. If not, it won't be added. Right now it's accepted. Click close, go to the another schedule, click add to calendar, close, click. Oh, this is already added. Okay, so you can see if it's added or not too. Then, well, let's try the different schedule. Here, click on that, click on the schedule, accept that, close. Okay, that's all. This is for Germany. This is an error. We will have to remove it back. Now go back. Mathematics is done. What about science? Here, click on that. Add to calendar. Accept it. Close. Let's go. If there are any more. No, there are no more. There's no more. So go back. Go to social studies. Okay, click on this schedule. Click add. Click close. Click add. Okay, accept that, click close. Okay, that stands for social studies too. What about computer science? Go into that. Okay, click on this schedule. Add to calendar. Close. Click add. Close. Okay, it's done. Go back. Click on PSHE. There's only one schedule, so just have to do this one. Click. Close. Go back. What about art? Click. Okay, only one schedule, so click on that. Add. Close. So now that's all the teams. So now let's go back to calendar and see if it's all added. Scroll up. So here you can see for 3rd of June, Thursday and Friday. What about next week? Scroll up. So basically everything is filled up, but except here. Which time will it be? Let's check that. You can, as I've told you before, you can check your timetable on announcement team. So go back to that year 3 grade announcement and go back to timetable, and what missing is, I think, PE, I think. Okay, to calendar team, go back. So I'm missing a PE schedule, but it's okay, you get the picture. So that's how to add the schedules to the calendar. That's it. That's all about using the calendar features easily. So next time, if you want to join me, you just have to click on the calendar and then click on the right time you have to join, and then click join. Everything else is the same as before. That's it for now. Hope you have the best learning experience. Peace and bye.